Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest products to hit the market. Today, we're diving into the world of pasta with a unique twist: RiceSelect Orzo pasta.
Now, you might be thinking, Orzo pasta?
Isn't that supposed to look like rice? Well, you're not wrong. This premium Orzo pasta from RiceSelect is indeed shaped like rice.
But it's made from 100% enriched durum semolina wheat, giving it a unique texture and flavor profile.
With a cook time of just 10 minutes, this versatile pasta can be used in a variety of dishes. Whether you're tossing it with fresh vegetables for a refreshing orzo salad, or incorporating it into a creamy risotto or a hearty casserole, the possibilities are endless with RiceSelect Orzo pasta. But what sets RiceSelect apart from other brands? Well, for starters, their Orzo pasta is free of preservatives, additives, and GMOs.
Plus, it's certified kosher and gluten-free, so you can enjoy it with confidence, knowing that it meets the highest standards of quality.
And let's talk about packaging.
RiceSelect takes sustainability seriously, using PET and HDPE recyclable jars that are BPA-free.
So not only are you getting a delicious pasta, but you're also making a conscious choice for the environment. But enough talk, let's get cooking.
Join me in the kitchen as we whip up a mouth-watering Mediterranean-style orzo salad using RiceSelect Orzo pasta. From the vibrant colors of the vegetables to the satisfying texture of the orzo pasta, this dish is a true feast for the senses. Absolutely delicious. The orzo pasta perfectly absorbs the flavors of the Mediterranean, creating a dish that's both light and satisfying.
So if you're looking to elevate your pasta game, look no further than RiceSelect Orzo pasta. With its premium quality, versatility, and commitment to sustainability, it's a pantry staple you'll reach for time and time again. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure.
Until next time, happy cooking!